Hi, this is Lezlie with Light Elegance, and we're here to show you how to perform a waterless pedicure using Q&Lu Spa Essentials. Great chemistry combined with premium ingredients, no artificial dyes or fragrances, results in a soothing spa experience tailored for hands, feet, and skin. Additionally, Q&Lu has antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, perfect for nails and tired muscles. Follow these easy steps to save time and send home happy, healthy clients with every service. Prepare your service by filling a spray bottle with 8 ounces of hot water, 1 scoop of Q&Lu salt soak, 4 warm washcloths, and 2 warm hand towels dampened with the Q&Lu spa oil and warm water. Remove polish from the toes. Hard or soft gels will be removed later in the service. Wash each foot with a washcloth saturated with the Q&Lu salt soak solution. Then wrap the foot with the cloth. Leave the wraps on for 3 to 5 minutes until cooled. Then remove them. Spray Q&Lu salt soak solution generously on top and bottom of the foot and allow to penetrate while pushing back and trimming cuticles. Removal of hard or soft gels can be done at this time. Apply 1 drop of LE Pro cuticle oil to each toe. Then spray the foot with Q&Lu salt soak solution and repeat on opposite foot. Use a file to remove dead tissue from the bottom of the feet. Using a quarter-size amount of Q&Lu bamboo polish, massage leg and foot vigorously to exfoliate dead tissue. If you are using paraffin wax, apply at this time, bag, and wrap with warm towel. Once the opposite foot is wrapped, wrap both feet in a dry towel to trap heat and further relax your client. Once the towels begin to cool, remove the Q&Lu bamboo polish and paraffin wax with the towels, which should still be slightly warm. File and shape the nails. Now use a nickel-size amount of Q&Lu bamboo lotion to massage the leg. For an extended massage, add 2 to 3 drops of the Q&Lu spa oil to the lotion. You can also use Q&Lu spa oil on its own for massage. Use LE Pro cleanser to thoroughly clean the entire nail plate, removing all the oils. If you are applying a hard or soft gel, repeat this step to ensure all the oil is removed from the nail plate. Now for the icing on the cake, apply a fabulous color to complete this beautiful pedicure.